Hi and welcome to my channel and my new video. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you. Today on how to set the time and date, I have the Gshock GA 2200. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button until you hear the beep. And please be patient because I'm gonna be having some difficulties with this negative screen. But I'm gonna try to set the angle so you can see the settings that I'm making. So let's get started. Press and hold the adjust button until you hear the beep. And there it is. You heard the beep. The hands are moved out of the way. So over here you have Tokyo listed as our home city or our time zone. But if we want to switch our time zone, over here it says Tokyo. But if we want to switch it, we can press reset or start button to shuffle up or down until you find your correspondent time zone. My time zone is Paris time zone, so I'm gonna press, in this case, the start button until I get to the Paris time zone. Madrid, Paris, and there it is. Now I have set my time zone. Once I'm done with the time zone, I'm gonna press the mode button, and setting moves on to the daylight saving time mode or the setting time mode. Over here you have DST flashing. I hope you can see it. Let me try and zoom it in for you. You have DST flashing, which means that the daylight saving time is turned off. If I want to switch it between on or off, I'm gonna press this start button over here. So pressing the start button, it shuffles between on or off. Currently in my time zone, DST is turned off. Once I'm done with the summertime setting, I'm gonna press the mode button over here, and we move on to the 12 or 24-hour timekeeping setting. Currently we see that the 12-hour is blinking, which indicates that we are in the 12-hour time format. But if you want to change it, you can press the start button over here, and as you can see in this screen, it moved to 24-hour time format. Basically, by pressing the start button over here, you shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour time format. Next up, press the mode button again, and you have your seconds flashing over here. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value to 0 simply by pressing the start button. Once you're done with the seconds value, press the mode button once again over here, and we now move on to the hour settings. Well, the hour settings should be correspondent to the your time zone. So if it's not, you can press the reset button over here or start button to move the value of hours up or down. So you press the reset, it goes down. Start button, you increase it to 16. And it's 16 o'clock in my time zone currently. Once I finished it, the hour value, I'm gonna press the mode button over here, and the setting will continue to the minutes value. Now the minutes procedure is exactly the same for hours. You can increase or decrease by pressing the start or reset button. So reset to decrease or start to increase the value of minutes. Once you're done with that, press the mode button once again. Oh, sorry, mode button. I pressed the light button by accidentally. You have to press the mode button. And we move on to the year setting value. The year is 2022, so this is correct value. But if I want to increase or decrease, I'm gonna press the reset or start button. So reset button to decrease or start button to increase. I'm gonna leave it at 2022. Next up, once we have set our year value, I'm gonna press the mode button once again, and we move on to the month setting. So currently it is January over here, and as you can see, the one is flashing. That's the first month of the calendar year. But if you want to set it, press the reset to decrease or start button to move up or down. So once you're done with your month value, you have you can press the mode button once again over here, and you can see the number 8 is flashing, which indicates that we are in the position to set our day value. today is January the 8th, but you can increase or decrease by pressing the reset or start button to set it manually if it does not correspond with your current time and date in your time zone. Next up, press the mode button once again, and we enter the button operation tone. Is it enabled or disabled? Now you can shuffle between on or off, or simply when it says a key over here, it indicates that there will be tone with the when you press the one of those buttons on the watch. But you can turn it off simply by pressing the start button, and as you saw previously, I just pressed the start button and now currently it says mute. So pressing the start button shuffles between button operation tone on or button operation tone off or muted. I'm gonna leave it at on, which will be over here says the key, which indicates that it's on. Once you're done with that, press the mode button once again and you enter the light or the illumination duration. As you can see, it says light over here and number 1 is blinking over here. This number 1 indicates that when I press the illumination button over here, the light on the watch face will stay lit on for 1.5 seconds. You can change that by pressing the start button. Okay, it says 3 now, sorry, 3, it says 3 now, which indicates that when I press the light button over here, it will stay on, the light will stay on for 3 seconds. So basically you can shuffle. 3 over here indicates that this light will be lit on for 3 seconds, and 1 indicates 1.5 seconds. I'm gonna leave it at 1. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button, and as you can see, it says Paris. So basically we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date and other functionalities on this watch. Once you're done and you want to implement these settings, simply press the adjust button, and now the watch should gather all the information that you have previously set, and the digital time should correspond to the analog hands. And that would be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you are into watch related content. Thank you.